Are you struggling with high blood pressure? You're not alone. High blood pressure is a common health issue that affects millions around the world. It's a silent, invisible adversary that can creep up without any symptoms, often catching us off guard. High blood pressure, or hypertension as it's formally known, is a serious condition that can lead to heart disease, stroke, kidney damage, and a host of other health complications. It's become a global epidemic, affecting people of all ages and walks of life. Managing high blood pressure is crucial. It's not just about taking medication. It's about making lifestyle changes, about understanding your body, and about taking control of your health. The good news: you hold the power to manage this condition naturally. It's not only possible, but also empowering. It's about going back to basics, about embracing natural approaches that have stood the test of time. But don't worry, there are natural ways to lower your blood pressure. Let's explore them together. One of the most effective ways to lower your blood pressure naturally is by making certain lifestyle changes. Now, you might be thinking, what kind of changes are we talking about? Well, the first and perhaps the most important is following a healthy diet. Consuming a variety of fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can do wonders for your health. These foods are rich in essential nutrients and fiber that can help reduce high blood pressure. Remember to limit your intake of processed foods and those high in sodium, as they can increase your blood pressure levels. Another crucial change is incorporating regular exercise into your life. It doesn't have to be a strenuous workout. Even brisk walking, cycling, or swimming for 30 minutes a day can help. Regular physical activity strengthens your heart and reduces the strain, which in turn lowers your blood pressure. Next, let's talk about alcohol and caffeine. While a glass of wine or a cup of coffee isn't harmful, excessive intake can lead to high blood pressure. So, moderation is key here. Aim to limit your alcohol to moderate levels and try to keep your coffee consumption to a minimum. Then there's smoking. You've probably heard it 1,000 times before, but we're going to say it again. Smoking is bad for your health. It damages your blood vessels, leading to high blood pressure. So if you're a smoker, quitting should be a priority. It might be tough, but your body will thank you for it. Now, these lifestyle changes might seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry. You don't have to do it all at once. Start small, maybe by adding more vegetables to your diet or taking a short walk after dinner. Gradually, these small changes will become part of your routine, and before you know it, you'll be leading a healthier lifestyle. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Start by incorporating these habits into your daily routine. Now let's delve deeper into the role of diet in managing high blood pressure. Our plates are powerful. What we choose to fill them with can either fuel our bodies or contribute to health concerns. When it comes to high blood pressure, one diet plan has earned the spotlight: the DASH diet. DASH stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension. This diet isn't about cutting out all of your favorite foods, but rather about incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense options into your meals. Think fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and low-fat dairy products. But the DASH diet isn't just about what you should eat, it's also about what you should limit, and sodium is at the top of that list. Sodium can sneak into our diets in unexpected places: frozen meals, canned soups, even bread. The key is to become a savvy label reader and aim to consume no more than 2,300 milligrams of sodium per day. Now let's talk about some nutrients that can be your allies in this journey. Potassium, for instance, helps balance out the negative effects of sodium. Foods rich in potassium include bananas, sweet potatoes, and spinach. Next up is calcium. It plays a key role in maintaining the health of your blood vessels and reducing blood pressure. Dairy products, leafy greens, and fortified foods are great sources of calcium. And let's not forget magnesium. It's a bit of an unsung hero when it comes to blood pressure management. It helps relax your blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely. Foods like avocados, nuts, and seeds are rich in magnesium. Remember, though, that no single nutrient or food can magically lower your blood pressure. It's about the overall pattern of your diet and making sustainable changes that work for you. Eating a balanced diet can significantly help in lowering your blood pressure. And while diet is a potent tool in your toolbox, it's just one piece of the puzzle. Stay tuned as we explore more strategies for managing high blood pressure naturally. Before we move on to the next part, if you're finding this video helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and comment below. Your engagement keeps us going and helps us create more content that's beneficial to your health. By subscribing, you're joining a community of health enthusiasts who believe in the power of natural remedies. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll never miss out on our latest videos. Now let's continue with more natural ways to lower blood pressure. Another crucial factor in managing high blood pressure is stress management. Now, what's the connection between stress and blood pressure, you might ask? Well, when we're stressed, our bodies produce hormones that can cause our hearts to beat faster and our blood vessels to narrow, leading to an increase in blood pressure. Imagine your body as a city during rush hour. When stress hits, it's like adding more cars to the already congested streets. This puts pressure on the city's infrastructure, much like how stress puts pressure on our cardiovascular system. So, how do we ease this traffic? We can turn to relaxation techniques. Let's talk about yoga first. Yoga combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation to create a unique blend that helps reduce stress. It's like a calming lullaby for your body and mind, slowing down the rush and reducing the pressure. Next, we have meditation. Meditation is like taking your mind on a peaceful retreat. It's a time to let go of the hustle and bustle, to focus on your breathing and be present in the moment. Regular meditation can lead to lower blood pressure, as it helps our bodies release stress and return to a state of calm. Lastly, let's not forget about deep breathing exercises. When we're stressed, our breathing can become shallow and quick. Deep breathing is like hitting the reset button. It slows our heart rate and can lower our blood pressure. And the best part? You can do it anywhere, anytime. These are just a few examples, but there are many ways to manage stress. It's about finding what works for you, whether that's reading a book, taking a walk, or even just taking a moment to enjoy a cup of tea. Remember, managing stress is not just a one-time thing. It's a lifestyle change, a commitment to your health. So take a deep breath, relax, and give your body the break it deserves. Managing stress is not just good for your blood pressure, but for your overall well-being. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check the description box for our recommended health products. We've taken the time to carefully select items that align with our discussion today, from naturally sourced supplements to informative books. These resources can be invaluable for anyone embarking on a journey to lower their blood pressure naturally. So take a moment, peruse the description box, and equip yourself with the right tools. Now let's wrap up our discussion on natural ways to lower blood pressure. So, there you have it. These are some of the natural ways to lower your blood pressure. Let's take a moment to look back at what we've covered today. We started our journey by discussing lifestyle changes. The power of regular physical activity and moderation in alcohol consumption cannot be overstated. Remember, consistent, moderate exercise can do wonders for your blood pressure, and reducing alcohol to moderate levels can have significant health benefits. Next, we delved into the power of diet. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins is key to maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Cutting down on sodium and incorporating heart-healthy foods like berries, bananas, and dark chocolate can truly make a difference. We then explored the role of stress management in maintaining good blood pressure. It's crucial to understand that chronic stress can lead to habits detrimental to your blood pressure. So, finding healthy ways to manage stress, be it through meditation, yoga, or even a simple walk in the park, is vital. And finally, we reminded you to check the description box for our recommended health products that can aid in your journey towards better blood pressure control. Implementing these natural ways in your daily routine may feel like a big step, but remember, every little change adds up. Start small, perhaps by adding more fruits and vegetables to your meals or incorporating a short walk into your day. Gradually, you can build up to more significant changes. It's important to remember that everyone's journey is unique. What works for one person might not work for another. Listen to your body and make adjustments as necessary. Remember, it's all about making healthier choices. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you for watching.